Hey guys, happy Pride Month! So, in honor of Pride Month, I decided to do this creative rainbow makeup look with a white leg cut crease and some wing liner and some bold red lipstick, which you can rock at any Pride parade this month. So, keep on watching if you want to learn how I did this. I'll see you in a bit. Hey guys, so I've zoomed y'all in and I'm gonna do what I did on this eye. I've already done one eye and I'm gonna do it on this side. So yeah, I'm gonna just prime with the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer and I'm gonna set it with some white eyeshadow. We're gonna start off with a tapered blending brush and I'm gonna use this. This is the BH Cosmetics Rose Quartz Set brush in the number 7 and I'm gonna take a yellow eyeshadow and I'm gonna put that in the center, and you need to take your time to build it up, so don't hurry. So once you've got the desired yellow color that you want to take an orange shade and put it before the yellow. Then you want to take a red shade and put that on your inner corner. And keep repeating the steps till it looks blended enough. Then you want to take a green shade, a light green, and I'm mixing a bit of dark green from the Colorburst palette and put that next to the yellow. I'm gonna take a light blue and put that next to the green. Then I'm gonna take the darkest blue and mix it with the lighter blue in the palette, and I'm gonna put it right next to that to represent indigo. Then last but not the least, I'm taking purple and I'm gonna bring it out. Like this. And then you want to take a fluffy blending brush and you want to take the white shade and you want to blend the edges so that it looks seamless and it doesn't look harsh. Like that. And now I'm gonna take flat top shader brush and I'm gonna cut my crease and be right back because I need to focus on this and I'm gonna mess it up if I don't. So I've zoomed all in and I've cut the crease, and now I'm gonna take some white liner and I'm gonna cut it. This is as good as it's gonna get. So, and now I'm gonna put this on my waterline, white liner on my waterline, and I'm gonna repeat the steps what I did on my top lash line, and I'm going to do it on my bottom lash line, and I'm going to do some black wing liner, and I'm gonna be right back. I've done my eyes finally. I've done the white liner and I've done the black liner proper, and I've copied what I've done on my above, like on my eyes, on the bottom lash line. So now, and I have applied mascara, and you can apply blush and highlighter. Now I'm taking the MAC lipstick and see our collaboration on my lips. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and give this video a big thumbs up if you really like this look, and comment down below what creative looks you want to see in the future. So sorry, just messed up. Bye.